In front of me is ASUS ROG Phone 8 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can block app notifications. Begin by opening Settings and tapping on Apps and Notifications. Then scroll down and click on Notifications over here, App Notifications under Notification Manager. Then select Most Recent at the top and choose the best option for you. I will go with Most Frequent. Now to block notifications from any app, click on blue switcher next to it. You can switch them back on by hitting the same now grey one. If you want to, you can also just tap on any of your apps and tap on this switcher next to all your app notifications to manage them. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!